Hi, are you planning to boost your productivity by many folds? Yes, welcome to Amazon Q, one of the most powerful generative AI assistant out there. This is a multi-part series where we will deep dive into how Amazon Q works. Let's get started.
Amazon Q is the singular brand behind our generative AI assistant, and there are distinct products under that brand name. The Amazon Q family of products contains different services, all focused to help you streamline tasks, speed decision making, and help spark creativity and innovation. Amazon Q products can be broadly divided into the following categories. First, the Amazon Q Developer, which harnesses cutting edge generative artificial intelligence to accelerate your software development lifecycle. Second, the Amazon Q Business brings together capabilities that will boost employee productivity as they access, analyze, engage, and visualize enterprise data. Third, Amazon Q in Amazon QuickSight. Amazon Q brings advanced generative AI technology to Amazon QuickSight, the AWS Unified Business Intelligence BI service built for the cloud. With Amazon Q in QuickSight, your business analysts get a generative BI assistant they can use to build BI dashboards, visualizations, and complex calculations in minutes, all while using natural language. Fourth, Amazon Q in Amazon Connect. Amazon Q adds generative AI capabilities in Amazon Connect, the AWS Cloud Contact Center, to support contact center agents and end customers. Amazon Q in Connect automatically detects customer issues from the conversation and leverages generative AI to deliver real time personalized responses and recommended actions, leveraging customer information and content from your knowledge repositories and external website. Fifth, Amazon Q in AWS Supply Chain. Amazon Q introduces advanced generative AI capabilities in AWS Supply Chain, our cloud based supply chain management application. It helps you operate your supply chain more efficiently by analyzing the data in your AWS Supply Chain Data Lake, providing important operational and financial insights, and answering urgent supply chain questions. Let us learn about Amazon Q in QuickSight, which enhances business productivity using generative business intelligence capabilities to accelerate decision making. With new dashboard authoring capabilities for Amazon Q in QuickSight, business analysts can use natural language prompts to build, discover, and share meaningful insights in seconds. Amazon Q in QuickSight makes it straightforward for business users to understand data with executive summaries, a new context-aware data, Q&A experience, and customizable interactive data stories. The target persona for Amazon Q in QuickSight includes business analysts and business users. Some of the use cases for Amazon Q in QuickSight includes building BI dashboards, visualizations, calculations, creating data stories, executive summaries, and scenario planning. The following are some of the benefits of Amazon Q in QuickSight. With the generative BI capabilities of Amazon Q in QuickSight, BI users can build, discover, and share actionable insights and narratives in seconds using intuitive natural language experiences. It helps you to get the most value out of your data. Amazon Q in QuickSight enhances business productivity using generative BI capabilities to accelerate decision making. Scenarios is a capability of Amazon Q in QuickSight, enables any business user to make better decisions faster by providing an AI assisted experience that simplifies in-depth data analysis at every step. Amazon Q can understand and respect your existing governance identities, roles, and permissions, and use this information to personalize its interactions. Business users can quickly generate visually pleasing and compelling narratives that are contextual, call attention to key insights, and make recommendations. Amazon Q in QuickSight makes it easier for business users to use existing dashboards to better distill key insights with executive summaries and a new context-aware data Q&A experience. Data stories in Amazon Q helps users generate interactive customizable narratives using natural language prompts. Let's learn about Amazon Q in Connect, which helps your customer service agents provide better customer service. Amazon Q in Connect uses real-time conversations with the customer along with relevant company content to automatically recommend what to say or what actions an agent should take to better assist customers. So the target persona for Amazon Q in Connect includes customer service agents and end customers. Some of the use cases for Amazon Q in Connect includes detecting customer issues and delivering real-time personalized responses. Some of the benefits of Amazon Q in Connect include the following. Amazon Q in Connect delivers real-time generative AI-powered recommendations. It has natural language understanding to detect customer intent and provide appropriate responses. It uses generative AI to deliver agents suggested responses and actions to address customer questions, providing faster issue resolution and improved customer satisfaction. Agents can chat directly within Amazon Q in Connect to get responses, actions, and links to quickly solve customer requests. Amazon Q in Connect can ingest your data with built-in connectors. It automatically detects customer issues from the conversation and leverages generative AI to deliver real-time personalized responses and recommended actions, leveraging customer information and content from your knowledge repositories and external website. Amazon Q in Connect can help you onboard agents faster with less training. Let us learn how Amazon Q can assist you in AWS supply chain. Amazon Q in AWS supply chain unifies data and provides ML-powered actionable insights, built-in contextual collaboration, and demand planning. They will also be able to explore what-if scenarios to understand the trade-offs between different supply chain choices. It helps you operate your supply chain more efficiently by analyzing the data in your AWS supply chain data lake, providing important operational and financial insights, and answering urgent supply chain questions. It reduces the time users spend searching for relevant information, simplifies the process of finding answers, and minimizes the time needed to learn, deploy, configure, or troubleshoot AWS supply chain. The target persona for Amazon Q in AWS supply chain includes customer service agents and end customers. Some of the use cases for Amazon Q in Connect includes reducing the time spent searching for supply chain information, minimizing the time needed to learn, deploy, or configure your supply chain. Amazon Q Business makes generative AI securely accessible to everyone in your organization. Amazon Q Business easily and securely connects to commonly used systems and tools, so it can synthesize everything and provide tailored assistance, empowering your teams to be more data driven, creative, and productive. Leveraging your own company's content, data, and systems, Amazon Q Business makes it easier to get you fast, relevant answers to pressing questions, solve problems, generate content, and take actions on your behalf. Amazon Q Business is a generative AI powered assistant that can answer questions, generate content, create summaries, and complete tasks, all based on the information in your enterprise. The Amazon Q Business brings together capabilities that will boost employee productivity as they access, analyze, engage, and visualize enterprise data. Amazon Q provides immediate and relevant information to employees and helps streamline tasks and accelerate problem solving. Here are some of the ways that Amazon Q can boost employees' productivity. The first one is about streamlining the search experience. It connects internal wikis, SharePoint sites, Confluence, Salesforce, and 40 plus other applications for a unified conversational search experience. Then it also helps in extracting key insights. It performs comparative analysis on your documents and unlock powerful insights so that your employees can make faster and better data-driven decisions. It also helps in generating the summaries. It quickly understands the essence of documents by creating summaries of uploaded files or existing enterprise documents. Finally, it accelerates the content creation process. It empowers employees to create content faster and smarter across departments from marketing to sales to engineering. Let us learn about some of the benefits of Amazon Q Business. Amazon Q securely and privately generates quick, accurate, and relevant answers to your business questions. It connects to your data and ingests it for processing using its pre-built connectors, document retrievers, and document upload capabilities. It provides you with the flexibility of choosing what sources should be used to respond to user queries. It is built to be secure and private. It helps administrators efficiently apply guardrails to customize and control responses. Amazon Q Business offers over 40 built-in connectors to popular enterprise applications and document repositories.